Having a trustworthy knife is important when camping. Food preparation, fire starting, shelter construction, and unforeseen situations are all examples of its uses. We're listing the top 10 camping knives available on Amazon in 2025 in this video. All the knives on this list provide reliable performance, high-quality materials, and outdoor-ready durability, ranging from sturdy fixed blades designed for heavy-duty use to multi-purpose folding knives ideal for modest responsibilities. Both outdoor enthusiasts and explorers rely on these knives to complete tasks when it counts most, regardless of your preferred camping method, bushcraft, backpacking, or vehicle camping. The CRKTM 2104G is a robust folding knife designed by the late Kit Carson, blending tactical functionality with everyday utility. Featuring a 3.875 875-inch spear point blade made from HC or 1/4 stainless steel. It offers a sharp edge suitable for various cutting tasks. The blade's titanium nitride coating enhances corrosion resistance and reduces glare. The knife incorporates the auto-lock safety system, providing an additional layer of security by preventing accidental blade closure during use. Its textured G10 handle ensures a secure grip even in wet conditions, and the ergonomic design offers comfort during extended use. Weighing approximately 6.4 ounces and measuring 9.5 inches when open, the M2104G is substantial yet manageable for daily carry. The knife also features a 4-position pocket clip, allowing for versatile carry options. Whether you're in the field or handling everyday tasks, the CRKTM 2104G delivers reliable performance in a durable package. The Cold Steel SRK is engineered for those who push boundaries. Equipped with a 6 inches SK5 steel blade coated in a durable black Tuffex finish, this knife is ready for extreme outdoor challenges and demanding rescue missions. Its clip point design delivers precision for detailed cuts while maintaining the strength needed for skinning, slashing, and chopping tasks. Measuring 10.75 inches in total, the SRK balances robust construction with sharp performance. The 316 inches thick blade ensures a resilient edge and tip, making it adaptable to various tasks. Its deeply checkered Crayax handle provides a solid grip in any condition, while the single Quillian finger guard ensures safety during intense use. The SRK comes with a secure egg sheath, offering convenient carry for quick access during any adventure or emergency. Whether navigating the wild or tackling tough situations, the Cold Steel SRK stands as a reliable companion for survival, rescue, and all-around rugged utility. Prepare for your next wilderness adventure with the Ka-Bar Becker BK companion. Designed to tackle any bushcrafting challenge, this beast features a 5 inches blade made from tough 1095 Crowan steel, built to withstand the toughest conditions. The factory 20 degrees edge and flat grind ensure it's sharp out of the box, ready for everything from chopping wood to carving. The handle with contoured Zittel scales provides a secure and comfortable grip even in harsh conditions. Its 0.6-inch thick blade excels at heavy-duty tasks and is easy to sharpen when needed. The knife comes with a durable polyester sheath and belt loop, offering multiple carry options. But that's not all. The versatile design allows the BK companion to be used as a spear when the situation demands. Whether you're a seasoned bushcraft enthusiast or just starting out, the Ka-Bar Becker BK companion will be your trusted tool for survival and outdoor exploration. The Schrade SCHF 59 is a budget-friendly fixed blade that doesn't skimp on performance, making it a solid choice for campers and survivalists alike. This knife features a 3.6-inch drop-point blade made from 65N high-carbon steel, offering excellent toughness and edge retention for heavy-duty outdoor tasks. Its black powder coating enhances corrosion resistance while giving it a sleek tactical appearance. The ergonomic textured GFN handle ensures a secure grip even in wet or muddy conditions. A full tang design boosts durability, making it dependable for battening, carving, and fire prep. The included thermoplastic belt sheath adds easy carry and quick access whether you're trekking through the woods or setting up base camp. Lightweight yet tough, the SCHF-59 proves that you don't need to break the bank to carry a reliable outdoor knife. It's a no-nonsense tool that's ready for the challenges of the wild. The Civi Fixed Blade Elementum is a sleek and versatile knife that brings the popular Elementum design into a fixed blade format with an overall length of 8.48 for 8-in and a 3.98 in D to steel blade. It offers excellent edge retention and durability for everyday tasks. The hollow grind ensures precise slicing while the satin finish adds a touch of elegance. Its full tang construction provides strength and reliability. The handle made from dark green micarta offers a comfortable and secure grip even in wet conditions. Weighing just for 1 ounce, it's lightweight enough for easy carry without compromising on performance. The included Cadex sheath with a T-clip allows for multiple carry options, making it suitable for both urban and outdoor environments. Whether you're camping, hiking, or need a dependable EDC knife, the Civi Fixed Blade Elementum combines style, functionality, and quality in a compact package. The Buck Knives 119 Special is a legendary fixed blade knife trusted by generations of hunters, campers, and survivalists. With its iconic 6 inches clip point blade made from 420HC stainless steel, the 119 offers excellent corrosion resistance and edge retention. The hollow grind ensures precision slicing, making it suitable for everything from field dressing to wood prep and food tasks. Its durable black phenolic handle paired with an aluminum guard and pommel provides a classic look with a solid comfortable grip even during extended use. The knife weighs about 7.5 ounces and has an overall length of 10.5 and offering a balanced feel and excellent control. It comes with a high-quality leather sheath for secure and stylish carry. Whether you're heading into the woods for a weekend or preparing your bug-out bag, the Buck 119 Special is a time-tested tool that blends tradition, reliability, and rugged functionality into one dependable package. The Haltamagami is a premium bushcraft knife designed to tackle rugged outdoor environments. Handcrafted in Norway, this knife combines tradition with modern performance. The Tamagami features a triple laminated stainless steel blade, offering an excellent balance between sharpness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. Its drop-point blade design is perfect for carving, slicing, and precision tasks, making it a versatile choice for bushcraft enthusiasts. One of its standout features is the ergonomic curly birch handle, which provides a comfortable and secure grip even during extended use. The full tang construction ensures incredible durability while the finger guard adds an extra layer of safety. Plus, it comes with a traditional leather sheath for secure carry and easy access. Whether you're carving wood, preparing firewood, or performing camp chores, the Haltamagami is built to withstand the demands of serious outdoor adventures. The ESC6P is a powerhouse survival knife built for those who demand reliability in extreme conditions. With a 6.5 and 1095 high-carbon steel blade, this knife is tough enough to handle chopping, battening, and precision cutting with ease. The full tang construction ensures durability, while the micarta handle offers a secure and comfortable grip even in wet conditions. Designed for outdoor survival, bushcraft, and tactical use, the ESC6P includes a protective polymer sheath for easy carry and quick access. While 1095 steel requires maintenance to prevent rust, its exceptional edge retention and toughness make it a top choice for serious adventurers. Whether you're building a shelter, processing wood, or preparing food in the wild, the ES6P is a dependable companion you can trust. If you need a rugged, no-nonsense survival knife that performs in any situation, this is one blade that won't let you down. The Morin Bushcraft Black Blade is a rugged and reliable bushcraft knife built for tough outdoor tasks. Featuring a 4.3-inch carbon steel blade with a black anti-corrosive coating, this knife is designed to handle everything from battening wood to precision carving. The Scandi grind ensures excellent sharpness and easy maintenance, making it a go-to choice for bushcrafters and survivalists. The rubberized handle provides a firm, non-slip grip, offering superior control even in wet or cold conditions. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, making it ideal for extended use in the wilderness. This knife comes with a durable polymer sheath that includes a built-in belt clip for easy carry. Additionally, the spine of the blade is designed to be used with a ferro rod, making fire starting effortless. For those seeking a tough, versatile, and highly functional bushcraft knife, the Morna Bushcraft Black Blade is a trusted choice for serious adventurers. The Gerber Strong Arm is built for toughness and reliability, making it a top choice for survivalists and military personnel. It features a 4.8 in full tang for 20 stainless steel blade, offering excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The ceramic coating adds extra durability while reducing reflections, making it perfect for tactical and outdoor use. The rubberized diamond texture handle ensures a secure grip in any condition, providing comfort and control during heavy use. One of its standout features is the versatile modular sheath system, which allows multiple carrying options. Vertically, horizontally, or on mold gear. Whether you're in the field, camping, or facing survival situations, the Gerber Strong Arm is a rugged and dependable tool that won't let you down.